Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, this is Nyara, and if you've been here, thank you so much for always supporting me. So today's video is quite different because guys, you're seeing me with short hair and you're wondering like how I got here. So make sure you watch this video till the end to see how I got to install this. And without no further ado, let's head to the video.
Original bad man, you don't know.
It's fake kills.
Standard. Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh, baby, I can smoke it all. Yeah. Say now you I want to see. When I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel. Anywhere that I be going, baby, make you ginger me.
So remember guys, we first fit in the wig to see if it's going to fit the head, then cut the lace after that. Then yeah, this is a short pixie wig. So most guys who have natural hair try this technique, the wash and go technique, and I think this wig turned out well with this technique. So what you do is just spray some water on your wig. Then I used the curling custard afterwards. So after spraying the water, I use curling custard on top to have the curls defined. And I think you can also use this method on your natural hair, but if you don't have long hair like this wig, then you can get this wig and slay it. So make sure you watch this video till the end to see how I got to slay this wig. And yeah, thank you so much for the support guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. You can comment down below on your thoughts on this wig. And yeah, until our next video, bye.
Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh, baby, I can smoke it all. Yeah. Say now you I want to see. When I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel. Anywhere that I be going, baby, make you ginger me. And I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me. And I be feeling you. Baby, make you ginger me. And I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me. And I be feeling you.
So nobody better than you. I know. I say nobody proper than you. I know. Then one boy need your money, yo. Need your money, yo. Them they feel you from London to SA. We could do it my way. Baby, make you ginger me. I wanna feel ya. Anything you do, make I feel ya. If I know if you do, I'ma go talk am. Baby, you rock am. No need for protein, baby. Love you, baby. Dagu, party. I just gotta tell you what's in my mind. You gotta know.
Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh, baby, I can smoke it all. Yeah. Say now you I want to see. When I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel. Anywhere that I be going, baby, make you ginger me. And I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me. And I be feeling you. Baby, make you ginger me. And I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me. And I be feeling you. Original bad man. John Tricks on the beat. Original bad man, you don't know.
It's fake kills.
Standard. Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh, baby, I can smoke it all. Yeah. Say now you I want to see. When I wake up in the morning. Me have to turn them down. Anywhere we go, see them be hating now.
She carry you. Her body amazing, oh. My baby, oh. I go love you forever, oh. Girl, for your body, I'ma risk it. I'ma risk it. Chop your body, girl, like a biscuit. Like a biscuit. Oh yeah, that she jeje. No, they do me, she get. You wanna come on fair. Now you I want to. Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh, baby, I can smoke it all. Say now you I want to see. When I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel. Anywhere that I be going, baby, make you ginger me. And I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me. And I be feeling you. Oh, baby, make you ginger me. And I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me. And I be feeling you. Oh. So nobody better than you. I know. I said nobody proper than you. I know. Then one boy and reach your money, oh. Reach your money, oh. Them they feel you from London to SA, oh. We can do it my way. Baby, make you ginger me. I wanna feel ya. Anything you do, make I feel ya. If I never do, I'ma go talk am. Baby, you rock am. No need for protein, baby. Love you, baby. Dagu, party. I know it's fair. I just gotta tell you, it's in my mind, you gotta know.
Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh, baby, I can smoke it all. Say now you I want to see. When I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel. Anywhere that I be going, baby, make you ginger me. And I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me. And I be feeling you. Oh, baby, make you ginger me. And I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me. And I be feeling you. Oh, original bad man. John Tricks on the beat. Original bad man, you don't know.
It's VQs.
This is a 13 by 4 lace frontal wig, and it is a curly pixie wig. Guys, it looks amazing. So let me know your thoughts at the comment section. What do you think about this short wig? And lastly, yeah, I got it from Makeup Cloud Kenya. Either way, I'm going to be pinning down details about this wig on the comment section. So don't forget to like, subscribe, share to anyone you think this video is going to help. And yeah, until our next video, guys, bye.